Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're going to be installing a set of Dynatrac ProSteer Ball Joints for 07 to 17 Wranglers. Now these heavy-duty ball joints provide higher strength and longer life than the OE style joints, and once installed, they can be rebuilt without any special tools needed. Now, at the heart of the Dynatrac ball joint is the heat-treated chromoly stem, along with a stainless steel spherical ball joint that's both greasable and uses a Teflon lining for permanent lubrication. Now, of course, you're going to get all new castle nuts and cotter pins to get them installed. And while you will need a ball joint press to remove your OE ball joints and install the new ProSteer ball joints, Dynatrac also recommends their installation kit, which helps make the install easier and ensures the new ball joints won't be damaged during installation. Now, if your ProSteer joints should ever need to be rebuilt, the process is pretty simple and can be done without pressing the joint from the axle. After removing the knuckles, the ball joint can be taken apart by simply removing the E-clip and the locking tab. Then the upper plug can be removed along with the ball joint stem so you can replace the bearing and seal, all without the need of a ball joint press. Now, all that not only saves time, but money too. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this ball joint back together so we can get them installed in our Wrangler. So that takes care of the install of our brand new Dynatrac ProSteer ball joints. We've got them all greased up, and we shouldn't have to worry about doing this job anytime again soon thanks to their ultra heavy duty all metal construction. Now, if you want to grab more information or purchase a set for your Wrangler, simply click on that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. As always, if you have any questions for one of our Jeep experts, simply shoot us an email to info@Quadratec.com. Give us a call 800-745-2348 or live chat at Quadratec.com. I'm Rob. I'll see you out on the trail.